How you doing, everybody? It is Margarita Day once again, and we are sitting here with Elba. Say hello. You're gonna have to turn the camera. There it is. And Frank.
Hello.
And our small Yankee.
Yeah. Lucas Jeter.
Lucas Jeter. Can you guess where he got his name? Anyway, we are celebrating their first deal. It's not their first deal. They've done a bunch of rehab deals, but it's their first wholesale deal. So today they're getting a check. Their first wholesale deal. Total profit was $15,120, which means you're in the record right now for the highest for this quarter. And I wanted you to ask him a question first, because this deal's been going on since August? Since August, and right now we are in May. So this has been happening for a while now. So first off and foremost, tell them, where did you get the lead from?
I got the lead from direct mail, and it was an out-of-state owner, and we had been conversing via email for the last 10 months.
So the actual appointment was in August.
The appointment was in August.
And he wasn't interested in selling apparently at that time?
Correct.
Oh, and something else interesting about this particular one was what brought him over the edge.
How much?
What brought him over the edge to finally say, screw it, I'm going to sell. Which is a good thing to learn because
he had city violations.
Yes, the tenant thought they were being smart, calling the city on stuff they wanted done. So he got tons of city violations, and rather than dealing with the tenant, he called Frank back and said, you know what, I think I will take your offer. And so by dealing with that, after 10 months is it? Congratulations on your first wholesale deal. And wait, Elba's got a few things to say. She really wants to talk to you.
Thanks to Scott for the advice.
That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the next video.